Imagine you want to record vocals or an instrument. You select the track, for example the bass, press the record enable button, then set a pre-roll of 2 bars so you can give yourself time to prepare and listen to the music before the recording starts. Then you put your cursor on the place where you want the recording to begin. You press the record button, but instead of the playback starting immediately, there's a delay. You can see this green light flashing, but there's no playback. Wait for it, it will start eventually. Okay, the playback started, the pre-roll, and now the recording will start. But this is not what you want. The delay is too big. Imagine you're recording a singer and he is inspired to sing in the moment, but has to wait for this delay. Not only that is going to drive all of you crazy if you need to punch in often, but you can also lose the inspiration and not record the best take possible. So let's see what causes this problem and how to fix it. Go to Window and then press the transport. Now you see this function, count off. It has to be turned off. This is what causes the problem. Now, if I put the cursor when I want the recording to begin and press number 3 on the numeric keyboard, you can see the playback starts immediately. And now the recording too. Okay, so this fixes the problem. If you're wondering, why does this feature even exist when it only causes problems? Well, there is one scenario when it is useful. If you want to record a track in the absolute beginning of a session, on bar 1, like this, and if there is a pre-roll selected, you press the record button, see what happens. The recording starts immediately. So if you want to hear a metronome to count you in, so you know where to start, this feature is very useful. You will go to Transport, select it, and now if I press the button 3 for the recording to start, the delay exists, but now I don't hear anything and I still don't know when I should start playing. To fix this, you would have to add a click track to the session. For that, go to Track and click Create Click Track. Now, when I click the number 3 to start recording, you can hear the metronome. 2 bars count off and then I can record the music. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos regarding Pro Tools, the recording process, music production and more. I'm planning on releasing 1 video each week. If you have any questions or suggestions of what you would like to see, please leave me a comment below.